USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you will find some links. You can join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Go join free Telegram, check out the brokers and the profit here. Subscribe and like, and let's get back to the chart. And starting with the top down approach with weekly time frame. In weekly, we have been trying to go up. So this candle has eaten the previous low, so we are trying to go up. And then coming back to daily, we are nearby the EMA. So we are in the uptrend. As you can see, this previous high was broken already by the previous blue candles here. So now we are consolidating right now. So we are in the zigzag zone right now. So we have to wait for the breakout towards the upside. Hopefully, okay. This previous high is broken, so we're expecting it to go up. And again, Canadian does not have any strongness against dollar, so we are expecting the dollar to go up anyway. So let's get back to 4 hour. We are above the EMA in 4 hour already. And if you notice that this was a double top, okay, so this previous high was not able to break this high, right? This blue candle was not broken by this blue candle. That is why we are going down as a trend reversal. Now, for how long this trend reversal will continue? Will it come down towards the EMA and then we will have the rejection and then we will go up? That is one possibility. Second possibility is that this low might break and we might go down, okay? So you have to wait, and I think you have to wait for this for this 4 hour rejection to come. So if the candle breaks the EMA and close below the EMA, then we have to prepare for sell trades. If it only rejects the EMA and then you have a blue confirmation candle, then you can start taking longs, okay? In my opinion, Canadian is too weak for make any impact on dollars. So we will look for longs, but we will be smart. We will only look for longs once we have the rejection from the EMA, or we have to wait for a confirmation blue candle. That blue candle has to eat the previous red candle, then only we will enter long, okay? So again, use your common sense. And as I said, Canadian does not have any strongness against dollars, so wait for longs only after the confirmation of the blue candle, okay? So for now, this is going down because we had a double top. That is why it's going down. So if somebody entered here, they made their profits. Anyways, if you like what you see, subscribe and like, share the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.